Hi, this is Semetisi Moro, an IP enthusiast striving to make impact in Botswana's intellectual property landscape. I hold masters in intellectual property, a career path that has transformed my professional development in recent years. I'm currently involved in creating IP awareness among researchers through workshops and seminars to sensitize them on various IP rights and how these intangible assets can be monetized. One of our shortcomings in the organization is inadequate manpower and skills in commercialization of research outputs, and this is one area I strive to work on to ensure we generate income to relieve over-reliance on government funding. Attending the 2025 Global Impact Summit will be an opportune time to network and learn from like-minded individuals from across the globe on commercialization techniques in the agri sector and also share my experiences. These relationships will propel my career leadership development and impactful initiatives to take my country to greater heights. Lessons learned will also play a positive role in Botswana's economic development and diversification.